Alright, trade recap for today. We lost, which is a bit annoying because I'm nearly at the bottom of this funded account. I'm nearly, it'd be like one more trade or even this trade to lose it. But this funded account, I was just getting thrashed by the December markets and all the stop loss hunting. And then I guess I've just come back too early because I checked yesterday and yesterday was better. Yesterday was nicer, but then, yeah, I don't know, man. It's just because I see yesterday, and yesterday's markets are good, and there's a good opportunity. Then I try and replicate that today. Like there was a similar opportunity, then I'm just getting stopped out. But this is the hard bit. This is a bit where people stop. This is a bit where I don't stop. This is a bit where I keep going. So yeah, it's fine. But anyways, coming into session. I saw there was a bottom side divergence here. Boom. So it was coming top side, but then a top side divergence here. And also on the 15, I saw it was overall bearish. And that price had been coming sideways after a bearish move, so it was going to come more bearish. And I was looking for, because there was a divergence up here, and since technically that's a sweep, oh shit, whoops. I saw this big fair value gap, and this was very similar to yesterday, so I was looking for the tap of this and then the bearish movement. And this bottom area here, when these lows were swept, it did not give a good sweep. So I was like, that's good. It's not a good sweep. Like there's no opportunities here. Like look, sweeps, stop loss hunt, nothing. Literally the smallest fair value gap in here, which doesn't exist on ES. Nothing. There's like a fair value gap. It's like all shitty, you know? Shitty speed, shitty movement, shitty strength. So I was like, okay, that's very good sign that this is a retracement topside to get into here to come bearish. Then it comes up, taps here, doesn't get in on ES, but it went way too far bearish, so I didn't get in. And because it didn't get in on ES, I was like, oh, it'll come back and get in properly. And it does, it gets in properly. Little bearish movement, which just fills this fair value gap, and it just keeps going higher. Like even if I was in here, it would have been like down here with a stop loss fucking up here. So it would have been shitty risk reward. But so it taps here, then breaks out bearish here. So I get in short on this candle. Boom. Short. And then it just taps this bullish fair value gap. And I was like, okay, that's a decent target. And I was like, it came bullish. So I was like, oh, a little bit of respect off that bullish fair value gap. And it just kept going, stopped me out at the very top. Like I had stop loss accommodating, so that's not the issue. But then it's just shitty. And then eventually it does come bearish. Because overall I had price coming bearish because of this. And it came bearish very hard, but there was no indication. It came bearish, very bearish. Yeah, Jesus. That wasn't off news or anything. Yeah. So it's I think just today there were no opportunities, I'm gonna be real, because nothing up here, it taps this and moves, so bam, that's the move already done. And then, I guess because I shouldn't have got in short here because this wasn't up in there. I think that's the reason. ES was, but NAS wasn't. So, and also this technically is filling this imbalance, so then if it's a shitty bearish move, that kind of shows that, oh, it's filled this imbalance and it's having a shitty bearish move, so price is more bullish, kind of. So that's that. But today was just really shitty too, I guess. There was no opportunity. I don't know where I would have gone. Yeah, I guess I'll be watching the markets for a bit, not executing just because I don't know how good they are yet. But that's that. Lesson learned. We keep going, keep pushing. Discipline. Let's keep it going. So the issue for today that we learned from is price wasn't up in there when ES was. That's it. That's the main thing. And the strength, yeah, because it feels this imbalance and then shitty bearish move, which means and shows that because it feels the imbalance, it should be moving hard bearish, but because it's not moving hard bearish, it's moving slow bearish, shows the price wants to move topside more. Logically, that makes sense. Yeah, buyers are pushing harder against sellers. So yeah. Alright. All good. Good learning.